Hi, welcome to Axia. My name is Haywood and I'm co-founder of Axia Futures. We're a proprietary trading and training company located in the heart of London. We recognise for producing some of the largest and most successful futures traders in the industry. And we do this by building and modelling the most comprehensive trader training program that the futures market has ever known. So come on inside and let me take you on a tour. So when you come and meet us, whether it's for an interview on our trading desk, or for a trading workshop, or even one of our trader training programs, you'll be seated here in our reception library area. And during that time, you can really make yourself feel really comfortable by either watching our YouTube channel or exploring any of the books that we talk about in cognitive psychology, decision making, classic books and really popular books that's really taken our trading team by storm is The Art of Learning by Josh Waitzkin. And this is my current favorite at the moment, Make It Stick. And we have some of the old classics in The Market Wizards, which was one of my first trading books that I ever read. So now what we have here behind the couch is our trader think tank arena. And over here, as you can see, is where we have a whole collection of meetings. So this is where we have one-on-one meetings, we have high performance sessions, team meetings with the mentors. The guys will look and evaluate and dissect plays on our interactive board here, where the guys really break down key aspects of their trading and really trying to push the frontiers of their own performance. And so this is such an important think tank area, almost an incubator of high trading performance. Okay, now I'm going to take you to perhaps one of the most important rooms in our building, and this is the risk room. This is where our team of 4 risk managers, coaches and mentors observe not only our London traders, but our Poland and our Indian team, as well as all of our remote traders of almost 100 professional traders in the entire company. In our London office, we currently have around 25 professional traders. We also host our monthly performance one-to-one meetings in here. Axia was founded by myself and our head trader, Demetris Mavrommatis, in 2016, and was born from the FCT group of companies, which has been around since 1984 and run by legendary Roger Colson, who was one of the largest interest rate option traders in the 90s. So that's our risk room, and this is the space where a lot of improvement is made and pushed, and a high dynamic area of questioning. Okay, and this is now the jungle kitchen. This is a breakout area. It's where the traders come and relax during the trading session. It's also an area where many of our junior and senior traders can engage with each other in a more relaxed setting. And then we have a library. Now our library is scattered throughout the building, and we ensure that we have a whole collection of books that cover every aspect of trading, decision making, cognitive and behavioral psychology. And then we're going to take you outside over here to our outdoor terrace, where during the summer we have many Friday night barbecues. It's a really relaxed setting. It's where you get the guys really de-stressing, and you have this engagement and this interaction between all the junior and all the senior guys. Okay, now let's start taking you for a tour into really ground zero. And ground zero is where all the talent that we manufacture and the traders that end up on our trading desk. So let's go there. So over here is our trader training room. We have 4 career trader training programs a year. This is really the incubation area. This is where we source our talent. So 4 times a year we have an intake for our career training program. This is really an immersive and interactive learning where you're exposed to the process, framework and the collective edges of our group of elite 7 and 8-figure traders. The course is dynamic and real time. During the course we have our traders from upstairs come to do sessions. You'll participate also outside the classroom sessions in the workshops with our traders, making your experience not only classroom-based, but also interactive with some of the most successful futures traders in the industry. We also deliver the exact same experience online to those that cannot come to our London training centre. And with our online career training chat room, you have direct access to our head trainer and the students on the course, both in-house and online. So let me take you into our mobility studio. Now this is not only a studio of exercise and health for the traders to de-stress, where they have personal training sessions, one-on-one sessions. We also have weekly yoga classes, but we also host some workshops here, price ladder, order flow, footprint workshops that we have had here multiple times, and it's also a community area where we open this up to the community so they can come and meet us and really engage in a learning center of high performing traders. And out here we have an outdoor gym, which is probably one of the most popular parts of the entire building. We have traders come out here during both winter and the summer season, working out on their weights and really de-stressing from the trading day. Okay, so next now let's go and let me take you on a tour to the trading floors, and we have 3 of the trading floors that I'll take you on a tour now. Okay, so before we enter the trading floors, as you can see this mural, that really gives a history of the markets from the first stock exchange in Antwerp to the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, which is currently the oldest in the world, and all of those who've been involved in the markets, the Tulip Price Index and the Tulip Price Bubble, which is one of the most famous market bubbles, and then the formation of the Bank of England. So it's really important for us to understand the history of the markets. So I'm going to take you onto our elite trading floor. So come on in. So welcome to our elite trading floor. It's our group of 7-figure traders where all of our trading is modeled upon. It's really the engine room and the nucleus of Axia Futures. This group covers the full spectrum of edges, from macro news trading to structuring highly leveraged positions using profile structures. All of our elite traders are responsible for the constant development of all of our training programs, which is the first of its type in the world to build futures training material on highly successful large futures traders. Okay, and this is the second floor where we have a mixture of our senior traders and junior developing traders. So this is our second trading floor, where we have a team-orientated groups of a mixture of experienced and new developing traders. The team approach helps build all the mental models. This is an area of high growth, rapid learning, and lots of development with high growth learning in all areas of the futures market. Our final floor is where we source all of our talent from those that show aptitude, incredible desire to succeed. After the training program, we then select our top trainee traders for an opportunity for a seat on the desk to place for further evaluation for company backing those that show outstanding learning and performance. During the time here, they're involved in all of our internal training. So thank you for joining us on this tour of what it's like to be an Axia Futures trader. So if you want to hear more stories, more lessons or learn, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification so you find out everything that we are doing as a trader as you develop your career as a futures trader.